Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to learn the next chapter, and that is the noun gender. So we all know about the noun. Now we will look what is gender. Children, in this gender there are four forms, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender. Now we are going to learn what is about. Masculine gender, children, it's a noun which denotes a male gender. It shows about the men. Like example, Ram, Hari, grandfather, father, sir, uncle. All the male person is goes under the masculine gender. Next is feminine gender. Feminine gender is a noun which denotes a female member like Sheila, Tina, mother, auntie, grandmother, and all the female women, lady, queen. Children, all this come under the feminine gender or female one. Next, neuter gender. What is neuter gender? It's a noun which denotes name of a non-living thing. All the non-living thing comes under the neuter gender. Example, table, chair, fan, cupboard, television, refrigerator, buildings and all etc. It's all come under the neuter gender. It is a whichever it is non-living thing. Next, common gender. What is common gender? It's a noun which denotes either a male member or a female member. Sometimes, children, we only say a word, but you can't make out whether it is a male or a female. For example, baby, bird, cat, calf, child, cousin, friend, teacher, pupil, cook, etc. Like if I say example that I saw a baby, so do you recognize that what kind of baby I saw? It is male or a female? Only as I told you, I saw a baby. Maybe he it's a girl or a boy, but you can't make out. So that's come under the common gender. Cat. So if I say I am having a cat, so which it's whether it's female or male, I am only telling a cat. You can't make out. That's come under the common. Cousin. My cousins are coming from Mumbai. So only I told you cousin. You can't make out whether he is a male or a female. So like that, but you can't make out both. It can be a male or a female. So it's come under the common gender. I hope you understood this feminine, masculine, neuter, and common, children. Now we move to next. Next is, children. Uh, Material noun, abstract noun, and collective nouns are considered as neuter gender. In previous video, I have explained you what is material noun, abstract noun, and collective noun. Little I'll repeat one more. Material noun, it shows about the material. Like if I say I am drinking a tea, so what kind of material you can find in this sentence? Tea. Tea is a material. These buildings are made of cement and concrete and bricks. What's the material here? Cement, concrete and brick. This bed is made of wood. Material, wood. So like that, the word which shows the material is a material noun. So if you see such kind of noun, is considered as neuter gender. Abstract noun, the things only you can feel, you can't see. Like my father is an honest man, so honesty, cruelty, sincerely, this all come under the neuter gender. Collective noun is a group of a thing. Like if I say a bouquet of flower, fleet of ship, and army of soldiers, like that, it's come under the collective noun. So this all nouns come under the neuter gender, because it's a non-living thing also, that material non-living thing. Okay, collective also. Now next is, now see here, children, what you have to do to change from masculine gender to the feminine gender. What you have to do? Add suffix ess to the masculine noun. For example, author is a male, that is masculine. Now you have to convert into the female, that is feminine. Authoress, see, at end of the alphabet we have to add ess, so it's become authoress. Lion, lioness. Poet, poetess, have to add t after tes. Host, hostess. Gent, gents. So children, it's not about all words, it shows some of the words we have to do here. Okay, now we have to move next. Children, here are some examples of masculine and feminine, he and she. Gender, goose. Gentleman, lady. Here is all men and here are all women, he and she. King, queen. Horse, mare. Hero, heroine. Husband, wife. Lord, lady. Lad, lass. Mr., Mrs. Some more example. Papa, Mama, Ram, Eve, son, daughter, stag, hind, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, widower, widow, wizard, witch. Children, these are some examples which you go through so you can make out. Now, children, while writing the sentence, we use pronoun also, and we know that if we talk about the man, you have to write he. If you talk about the woman, you have to write the she. So here also see pronoun is the masculine and feminine gender as follow. This is all masculine: he, his, him. Feminine: she, her, her. So children, I hope you understood what is the noun gender, understood this topic very well. So please go through this video and try to yourself to understand more better. And in the after this video, next video, I'll bring exercise of this chapter. Thank you.